Hello there and welcome. I am Francis Bestman Isugu, the founder of CheckinR, that is Check-in Real Estate, a product and brand by FDAD Financials or FrotBanks Digital Asset Development Company, simply known as FrotBanks. Here is CheckinR, a product and a brand with a unique product known as CARP Credit Card. I'd like you to get to use this product, get to experience the power of this product, and also get to experience your first property finance plan on CheckinR. CheckinR as a product, CheckinR as a technology platform is a secured platform you can carry out financial transactions on, and such transactions include setting up a property finance plan, buying a property finance product, and as well as trying some of the property finance services such as home acquisition, property acquisition property construction, and property sales and marketing of every kind, and as well as access finance through the credit facility provided by users or to users rather of the CARP credit card to handle all your property finances. Now, when you use this platform, you are guaranteed of smooth transaction, data security, and as such, your information put on the platform cannot be divulged to any third party, including the government. Only you or your next of kin benefits or inherits from all your transactions in case of any eventuality that prevents you from permanently being able to access your account on the platform. You are also under no obligation to continue to use the CheckinR platform against your will. You are free to close your accounts and request refunds of all your unclaimed funds and benefits at any time without any prior notice, no binding commitment whatsoever. So there is no risk whatsoever associated with using any of our platform's products and services, and so you can cancel at any time and get all your funds refunded. So if you are ready to proceed now, we can get inside the platform now and create your zero risk account at once. Start with getting your credit card, set up the account, get creditworthy, and start experiencing the fun and power of using CARP credit card. Congratulations for coming to experience CheckinR for the first time. Get inside and experience the power of this all-in-one property finance platform, the first of its kind with a credit card that has zero interest rate. You can use it at any time, solve your problem. You don't get denied credit requests. You always succeed with CheckinR Advanced Rent Payment Credit Card. Welcome, and I hope to see you start testifying about the goodness of CheckinR and the usefulness of this new product, CheckinR Advanced Rent Payment Credit Card. Welcome, I remain once again Francis Bestman Isugu, the founder of CheckinR, Check-in Real Estate. Welcome. Hi there once again. I wish to let you know more about the CheckinR platform that provides you the CARP Credit Card. CARP Credit Card means CheckinR Advanced Rent Payment Credit Card, but doesn't mean that you're only going to be using this credit card for your rent payment. You're going to use it for everything about your property finance. Now, what is CheckinR that makes this possible? What is this platform about? CheckinR Property Finance Platform. CheckinR is the first property finance technology platform to offer potential home and business owners a complete property finance credit card that avails credits to every credit-worthy card user. CheckinR's all-in-one property finance credit card is the first credit card in the world that is tailored to solving the greatest fears and ending the deepest worries of every rented property occupant. CheckinR's property finance credit card is the first credit card with global property finance relevance without any decimal place or fractional digit interest rate. That means zero interest rate. CheckinR's credit card is the only credit card issued without tracking its user's credit history, conducting any interbank credit check, relating with no credit bureau, and reporting you to no credit institution. Therefore, there is zero risk, nothing to fear about. So whoever gets applied or applies for this credit card gets issued as far as such a person meets the credit-worthy standards. CheckinR is a transparent and globally accessible real estate technology, marketplace, and financial technology key asset development platform built by FDAD Financials or FrotBanks Digital Asset Development Company. It welcomes corporate and individual partners from every walk of life and every part of the world at any time. It offers an equal opportunity, career enhancement, and employment benefits to everyone who desires to work and earn decent income in the world's #1 fastest growing global asset development technology company, FDAD Financials. It guarantees the protection of funds of its customers and investors, and as well invests in direct supply chain and trade finance transactions through which it generates profit outside its property finance products and services. So your subscription is backed by 100% money-back guarantee. So if after 100 days of creating any property finance account on our platform, you decide you no longer wish to remain a customer, you get your full refunds and all your funds committed, get them back 100%. No questions asked, no stories that touch the heart, no charges, no funds withdrawn or fund withdrawal penalties. Your account and transactions on CheckinR Property Finance platform is confidential. Hello there and welcome to this important briefing on the CARP Credit Card, CARP Checking Advance Rent Payment Credit Card, brought to you by CheckinR, #1 property finance platform. I am Francis Bestman Isugu, and I am the founder of FDAD Financials, the platform that hosts CheckinR or Check-in Real Estate. Now, I want you to take the first step to achieve your dream home ownership the easiest, safest, and fastest way with zero risk on getting it done. I also want you to leverage the most reliable, dependable, stable, complete, accurate, secured, and sustainable property finance technology platform ever invented. And I'm talking about none other than CheckinR innovations for potential homeowners like you, including current, existing homeowners and business owners, estate owners of every kind. So, welcome again, dear potential homeowner. Worry no more about not being able to pay your rent on time, owning your apartment bill to face possible eviction, getting embarrassed by property managers for delayed rent payments, losing the peace of mind, peace, sanity, and stability you deserve in knowing that your shelter is insecure. Steve Converse, a financial copywriter and an American Writers and Artists Incorporated Circle of Success member, once wrote that the best road trips aren't the ones where the focus remains solely on the destination. Instead, your best road trip is one where you derive the greatest joy in the journey. So, starting your property finance plan on CheckinR Innovation Real Estate Marketplace Technology platform is similar to this road trip. You should set your goals and plan your destination, but remember to take pleasure in the journey. Starting your property finance plan with CheckinR isn't about the destination, it is about the journey. The destination is to eventually move into your new dream home owned by you in order to stop paying rent here and there. Your plan is how to own an affordable home or housing or accommodation using the different payment plans on CheckinR. Your goal is to make a total of 120 payments on any plan you select and choose. meant to span 10 years of monthly home savings, but you don't need to focus on just this destination, plan, or goal. You should enjoy the journey itself. Now, to enjoy your journey to owning your dream home, Checking allows you to flexibly make your home savings by feeling free to pay any amount you have at any time of your choice, while your total budget from 120 monthly payments remain the same. For example, you choose to own a $120,000 worth of home with a budget of 120 payments of $1,000 monthly payment plan for your first home savings. Immediately after creating your account, you are not required to stick with $1,000 monthly payment plan or even to stick with 120 total payments in 10 years. You are free to bend the plan at any time to suit your means. You can make 10 part payments in any month by paying $100 every 3 days or in any order you find most convenient. That's the freedom that makes you enjoy your journey. There are no rigid rules and no penalties to be afraid of. Same applies to every other property finance product on Checkin. Second example, you might subscribe for a tenancy card to pay your apartment's rent with the new credit card issued to tenancy card subscribers on Checkin. You get 6 months installment plan to pay your rent in advance into the tenancy card accounts in order to become credit worthy for receiving your CARP credit card. And that comes 6 months after your installment is completed. Now, you may at one point pay for a $100 tenancy card during the first month, and at another point, you choose to pay for $50 tenancy card, and also $25 at another point, and $25 again at another point, all in the same month. This will mean you have to pay $200 in your account balance after the first month. Now, your freedom is guaranteed, so you can do the same thing and pay in any order for any value of tenancy card in all subsequent months until your 6 months installment is completed, not necessarily making only 6 payments in 6 months. This way, your rent will be fully paid in advance in your tenancy card within the 6 months duration you are given. Then you become credit worthy and qualify to receive your credit card within the next 6 months. If you've applied and paid the issuance and maintenance fee for it, you can then begin to withdraw your rent from your credit card when it is due after placing a request for advance rent payment credits, which you can always pay back through a similar 6 months installment plan, a payment duration that suits your needs. You are ever in control of how much you pay and when you pay at each time to refund the advance rent payment credit you received in your credit card. Now, you notice that the first 6 months payment plan you achieved was meant to remain and train you on how to make your advance rent payments and get credit and pay back the credits. And that makes you credit worthy to receive credits in the future, which is refunded in 6 months duration after every credit request has been approved. You become credit worthy after your first 6 months tenancy card payment that you qualify for being issued you, and then it applies to any other reason for which you request credit, not only for your rent payment, also for your property finance of a property finance plan or property finance to foot your medical bills, pay school fees, stock your kitchen, and do other things. Your property finance plans keep getting better even after you begin to realize you have fulfilled your requirement of becoming credit-worthy for receiving your dream advance rent payment credit card called the CARP Credit Card. The moment your credit card gets into your hand, you know you have automatically overcome all challenges to paying your rent for the future. Now let's talk about why the advance rent payment credit is the best gift to rent payers you can find on CheckinR. You are never denied of your advance rent payment credit if you are credit worthy. Becoming credit worthy is easy and simple. No credit checks required, only your ability to pay your 6 months installments for your tenancy card on your withdrawn advance rent payment credits. No unnecessary bank charges for issuing, using or not using your credit card. Only pay your card maintenance fee one time every year. Zero interest rate for the lifetime of using your credit card to request, receive, and withdraw, as well as refund your advance rent payment credits. No more embarrassing delayed rent payments. Always pay your rents on time using your advance rent payment credits, and do the same for other needs that would have taken you unawares. No more one-time bulk rent payment fears and deadline skipping for possible eviction challenges. Pay back your advance rent payment credits in the most flexible way you want, with 6 months repayment duration to remain credit worthy for more advance rent payment credits in the future. Conveniently and comfortably move into bigger apartments of your dream, requesting the right amount of advance rent payment credit to cover the total cost of your relocation and apartment upgrade plans. Multiple application of your credit card for all your property finance needs, such as credit for furniture purchase, household utilities, utility bills payment, home renovation credit, kitchen restocking credit, school fees advance credit, and you name all of the options available to you. Same flexible payment plan through 6 months installment to remain credit worthy for all types of credits you request and receive. Use your credit card for accessing credits for office space rental, shop rental, office furniture procurement, personal performance logistics, inventory finance, advanced goods supply credits, and any kind of office or business finance you need credit for with a 6 months installment repayment plan. Use your credit card for your personal loan and also for your personal upkeep, for changing your wardrobes, purchasing a health plan or a beauty product or any kit whatsoever, pay medical bills, purchase an educational program or course, advance your career with a new certification program, travel overseas. So you take personal loan and you can repay your debt with whatever you request with your credit card, insofar as you can pay back the credit facility in 6 months with zero interest rates to worry about. You can now try to experience the power of this all-in-one property finance credit card to feel what it can do for you. Tell a personal success story of what it means for you and how it would impact your life when you start using it to solve your needs or problems while staying credit worthy by repaying your credit flexibly in 6 months installment duration with zero interest rate to worry about. Reflect for a moment on why you would want to hold this all-important CARP credit card in your hand right now. if possible in the first place. Of course, what revs the engine of your desire for this innovative all-in-one property finance credit card issued by CheckinR? Achieving your property finance dreams starts today, right now. Before even you reach your goal of owning your dream home, you can create your account right now. So, what are you waiting for? Get a hold on CheckinR Advanced Rent Payment Credit Card and let it take you on to the next level of achieving your property finance plans and your dreams and arrive at your destination of owning your dream home. Once again, I remain Francis Bestman Isugu, and this is CheckinR.